I'm Chris Follows, and I have the privilege of leading the Propack team in Canada. We are a packaging machinery company that specializes in robotics and complete systems integration. We provide the processing equipment, we provide a distribution system with high sanitation. If you look at the frames of the machines, they're all solid stainless. These are areas that we're moving in to ensure that there's no areas for bacteria to harbor. And that's really the key, is to ensuring that they get access to the full machine. They can clean it, sanitize it, and move forward. This is our Propack hygienic machine that's utilizing 4 robots. It's in a temperature of 3 degrees. We talked earlier about ensuring that we build machines that don't harbor any bacteria. This is an IP69K application. So if you have that type of application, think of us as a potential supplier. Propack are really well known for our collate and load systems. And our partner in the robotics area has been ABB, and we purchased the first ABB robot in Canada. The Propack TRT with 3 infeeds on it. This machine produces about 1,050 products per minute. We have 2 infeeds on one side and 1 on the other, with 2 ABB robots that are servicing the machine. So having an overhead mounted machine that could accommodate a tool of this size, you'll see some different configurations here, but we have the ability to run a tool of that size that would be picking larger volumes of product, where we could have over 1,000 bars a minute going to a secondary packaging robot. This is all 3D printed components, and we optimize the flow of vacuum going to the PAB suction cups that are there. Now if we move to the Vison side, this is specific tooling that we color coordinate to ensure, if you have, in this case we have 4 robots, so with a quick glance at the machine you can see that the operators put the appropriate tool in place to run that product. So this is a high sanitary spec tool for picking up naked products. All of our equipment that we're producing are fully hygienic. We do have machines that are completely disassembled for cleaning and sanitation, where the market wasn't there 10 years ago. You can see from a disassembly and assembly, there's no issues whatsoever in ensuring that you can take the product apart, clean it, sanitize it, and then quickly reassemble it. This is Ron Adele, one of our tool designers.
Yeah, what we have here is it's a pick 6 tool, so we're picking 6 products and making them into 2 groups. And in this case, we have to rotate those groups and hit a partner at a set pitch. So here's the pick position, and we rotate the groups out into the place position, hitting 3 pitched flights.
As we approach complete line integration, we provide the processing equipment from Equipment's PRB, which is a Canadian manufacturer in Quebec, and they provide the processing equipment that take the ingredients and form a cold form product. If we look at the distribution system, and then we partner with Campbell Wrapping Corporation, and they are our partner that we deal with in putting complete systems together. This system is designed to take product at 200 a minute from 2 product singulators and place it directly into a Campbell wrapper. So here we have the IntelliFeed singulators. One is doing a liquid pouch, the other one is doing a particulate pouch, and both of those products will be placed into the flights of a Campbell wrapper. So we had a challenge in place where a customer, one of our long-standing customers, came to us and communicated that they wanted a certain portion automated using Vison Robotics. So we looked into what was available, and we realized that there was nothing in the world, that there was no camera system or any device available that could actually determine the perimeter of a package. So we then had our engineers work on the Vison portion, where we developed special cameras to be able to identify where the outline of the packages are. Now you say, why would I need to do that? When you have product coming out of a vertical bagger, you tend to have teardropping or a cluster of product towards one side of it. And in the typical vision systems of ABB and other manufacturers, they will determine that cluster to be the center of the package. So what we do is with our vision technology, ProVision, we determine the perimeter of the transparent film and pick in the center. The challenge that Propack had with this application was the fact that we are running transparent film. We're able to identify the outline of the package irrespective to where the cluster is. And by identifying the outer portion of the package, we determine the center of the package to actually be in the center. So behind this stainless steel shrouding is our vision technology. We have some brilliant young engineers that are working here, and we have our older engineers that are very happy to share as much information as they can. In this area, we are identifying the perimeter of the pouches, whereby we have 4 ABB robots that are picking and placing the products into the flights of the infeed. This is the Propack ProVision HMI. We fully integrate the 4 ABB flex picker robots into our HMI. This is the Propack ProVision system. We're taking 2 products and we're picking and placing into the flights of a Campbell wrapper. So the robot comes over, it picks a liquid and it picks a particulate, and then it's placing the particulate first and the liquid on top. This system is typically overfed so that there's always product available for the robot to pick. And that product will circulate back to the bulk feed system. So this system is reliable, it's robust, and it will run 24 hours a day. We have 4 robots, each picking 200 products per minute from each stream. We have bulk product being fed to a conveying system. The conveying system brings it through the robotic cell where we pick and place product into the flights of a wrapper. Propack have been very fortunate in the fact that our customers trust us, and it's all about trust and ensuring that the efficiencies are made. Technology is continually moving and changing, and we're here to adapt to it and ensure that we're putting in not bleeding edge technology, but cutting edge technology. Propack, I truly believe we're the right partner for the future. We have the technology, we have the right team, and we're here to serve you.